Hello, Sammy. This video should help you use the KickStart program that I made for you. If you just double-click the KickStart file, it will open up in FileMaker Pro, and you'll be looking at this screen. On the home layout, which you'll see when it opens, there are these four buttons. There's an Excel file for each of them, and when you click on it, it will let you put it somewhere on your computer. There's one for the account, there's one for customers, there's one for pets, and there's one for your company users. The idea is that you can open up that Excel file. I'll show it to you here. Give it a moment to open. There we go. And you can see that this Excel file is arranged with these columns so that you can fill in the information for your company, your primary contact, first name, last name. You can just fill in each and every one of these things. For the account, you'll only need really one row. You'll only have to fill in one row. For the one for customers, it will require a little bit more because you'll put in as many customers as you feel you want to import. And I've got instructions annotated here. So for each customer, there'll be an ID number, a company name, first name, last name, and I've given you little notes in yellow to help you understand what is expected of you in each of these columns. So if you were to, let's say, give me 150 rows of data, then I'll be able to import 150 rows. And the way it works is, across these tabs at the top, if you go to the AVI Pro account, you can fill in all the information manually if you want to, or you can click this button which will let you choose the Excel file and it'll just import from that. You've got a tab for your account information, some personalization. You don't have to give me all of these. We can fill them in later if you don't have them ready in the beginning. Here you would give me your list of users, and then you have these other preferences that govern the way the program works. So as much as you can give me, that will help get your program jump-started. On the Customer tab, you'll build a list on the side here of as many customers as you have. Again, if you click the yellow button, you'll be able to import the Excel file that you prepared. You'll choose it and it'll just import whatever's in that file. And then all the names will appear here on the left. You can see the data for their phone numbers and their address. If you want to add them manually instead of importing, just click this button to add a new one or delete one if you, for some reason, want to get rid of it. And if you go to the Pets tab, it's basically the same way. You have all the information about each pet, including all of their medical information. The very important thing you want to make sure of, though, is that with each pet, they have to be associated with a customer. And if you do the import properly, that will be automatic. You can put in as many as 6 photographs for each pet. And here you've got kennel information, so you can choose the correct kennel for each of them, the height, the width, the gender, and so on. So I hope this gives you a starting point, and if necessary, certainly give me a call.